I'll show you how to lower the rear seats on your Hyundai Elantra 2011 to 2016. There's no buttons over here you need to press. On this model you need to go in the trunk, so open the trunk lid and you're gonna notice that there are two levers. One over here, it says pull, and another one to the other extremities. Pull on the lever multiple times just to make sure that it unlocks the bench. Then go inside and put the backrest down manually simply by lowering it this way. Same thing on the other side, you can do it without going on the other side. If by the way it's getting stuck like it is, your latch may be broken, don't worry. What you have to do is to pull on this lever and with your hand push at the same time. Alright? When you do both of these things at the same time, it will work and you won't have to repair that latch. Now you see the front seat needs to be brought a bit towards the front. Go ahead, bring it slightly so it has enough space to fold. And just like that, you have lower the rear seats, everything is folded, you have a lot more space in your Hyundai Elantra. To bring it back, slam them back in place like this, both. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.